Whoa, what up? What's that? I'm back at you again, as you can see, with another special box. I'm looking at the box, you see the designs on it. You see the LJ with the Kith. So on the side of the box, again, you got that 12/30/1984, which is LeBron James' birthday. Right here you see his signature. And on the other side, you got those Roman numerals again. But this is the LeBron XV Lifestyle in the sail colorway. Right here you see the Nike check. Right here you got your gold pull ring. So let's pull it on open. Now when you open the box on the side, first thing you'll see on the side of the box, on the side of the drawer, is a LeBron Lion logo. I don't know if you can really see it right there. I was tripping, my bad. But these come with some goodies, man. Like I said before, they come with, this is the half strap, and it comes with a full strap. And when I say half strap, I mean, you know, one that wraps halfway up the shoe. Well, this is the half strap, I'm sorry. But it comes with one that wraps halfway up the shoe and one that wraps all the way up to the ankle. You know, allowing you to wear these shoes in 3 different styles. You know what I'm saying? So you can wear it with the half strap, you can wear it with the whole strap, or no strap. Now here's the little instruction booklet. See the LJ on the front. You know, it tells you how to do the straps, you know, how to lace the straps up and all of that good stuff, man. But that's enough of that, man. That ain't what you want to see. You want to see the kicks. So here it is, the LeBron XV Lifestyle in the sail and black colorway. Now this is my favorite one out of the 2. Well, really it's 3, but 2 models like this. This is my favorite one because I like the other one, but I knew everybody was gonna be, you know, picking that one. I like to go against the grain. Plus, I'm a fan of black anyway. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see right here, you got the LJ Kith logo at the top of the strap. You got the all black sole with the lion logo at the back. Got the Nike check at the bottom of the strap. On the inside, you got the LJ logo with the Kith. And on the other shoe, I think you got the Nike logo on the inside. I don't remember, but I'll check it out. But to me, man, this is a dope shoe. You know, I know it's not for everybody. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, the straps say, "Long live the king." Everybody already knows that already, but I'm just giving my take on it, man. You know, but like I said, this is my favorite one out of the 2. You know, the other one, you got the multicolor colorway, but this one here is more my style. You see that view from the front, you can see the straps with the "Long live the king" on it. Right here on the side, you can see that they got that curved zipper. Like I said in the other video, you know, that's to help you get the shoe off and on a little bit easier. You know what I mean? Now here's the other shoe. As you can see, it got the Nike logo on the inside. I mean, everything pretty much the same, and I'm gonna try not to do too much talking on this one because it's pretty much the same thing as the other one. If you saw my other review of the other color, you know, I don't need to go all into detail and everything about that. You know, I'm just trying to give you the visual on it. You know what I'm saying? But it's a dope shoe to me, man. Let me let you see the zipper and whatnot. As you can see, this is the full strap, the one that goes all the way around the ankles. That's the one I'm more of a fan of. You know, but you never know. Might switch it up. But here's the zipper. The zipper and the string that's on it is all black. On the inside of this one, you can see it's "Long Live the King." And on the inside of the other one, it has his birthday in the Roman numerals, which is a dope little touch. Even though nobody's really gonna see it, but it's nice to have. Now looking at the front, I mean, I know everybody not a fan of this, this silhouette or whatever. But the 15, I'm a big fan of the 15 silhouette, man. I think it's super dope. I mean, it's the hottest thing out to me, in my opinion. That if I had to spend my money on things, I'm looking to get some of those, man. Some of those 15s, man. But to each his own, man. But yeah, let me know in the comments, man, what y'all think. You like them? You gonna pass? You gonna cop? Did you cop? Did you miss out? Did you take the L? Let me know. Like the video, subscribe. Dislike the video, subscribe. Or just watch the video and roll out. You know what I'm saying? And here's a closer look at those straps, man. And they are, do have a little bit of 3M on them. You know what I mean? So when you turn the lights out or when the lights hit it, get you a little effect. You know what I mean? This is a dope shoe to me. I'm feeling it. I think they did a good job with these, but I think either they should stop right here with making this model or come with colorways that's just guaranteed hits. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't overdo it with these, man, because the way I feel about it, if you got these, you got a special pair of shoes. You know what I'm saying? Because they weren't available everywhere, and y'all already know how it goes, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, let me know in the comments if you're feeling the shoe, man. If you're feeling the channel, you're feeling the videos or whatever. But in the meantime, this is what it looked like without any straps on them. I'm not really a fan of this way, but you might catch me wearing them like that once I get my size in. You know what I'm saying? On the side right there, you see that curved zipper. This is dope to me, man. I'm having a little trouble getting this open, but I'm trying to show you the inside. As you can see, you got the 12/30 1984 in the back. See the pull tab on the back with the Nike check. Overall, it's a dope shoe, man. And right here on the Velcro, these do not have the Nike check right there. The other pair, they have a white. They have a Nike check on the other pair. So that's one difference, but yeah, like I say, man, I just wanted to give y'all a quick look at them. I know a lot of y'all saw these already, and it's not nothing new, but it is what it is, man. Look, I want to thank all the people that have been watching the videos, man, that have been subscribing to the channel, man. I appreciate it. It's only going to get better. Follow me. You know what I'm saying? You can follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504 or The Sneaker Peddler. And I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can go shop online at our little spot. You know what I'm saying? Everything official, everything authentic. We don't play the fugazi games. You know what I'm saying? So thanks for watching, and I'm going to holler back.